If you think that buying gold jewelry can also be profitable, hear me out. Hi there friends, thank you so much for watching this video. In this session, I'm going to share with you the profit potential of using our 916 gold jewelry for gold investment purposes. Yes, I agree that gold jewelry is also a type of gold, but the purity of gold is lesser and it is charging us a very huge spread margin. In fact, when we buy gold jewelry, we are essentially paying three kinds of cost. First, the cost of the gold price. Second would be the workmanship, which is highly manipulative, and the third would be the tax. So when we pay these kind of costs to buy a piece of jewelry, and when we choose to sell in the future, do you think that the profit potential would be worth it? Therefore, I would like to share this concept using a real-life example shared by one of my idol in G100, whereby back in 2018, he wanted to buy a piece of jewelry. So what he did, he bought a piece of a 916 item worth 13.3 grams, right? So this 13.3 grams of gold, he bought it for 2,780 plus 230 as the additional charges. Fast forward 6 years later, in the year 2024, when he wanted to sell the gold item, the money that he got back upon selling the gold item is 3,883.6. Right? So this is the kind of a return that he got after 6 years time, and the buyback rate that he was able to sell the gold was a 292 per gram. In terms of profit potential, over this 6 years time, the percentage of return or the ROI was only 6.7% per year. Back then, this idol of mine, he wasn't sure about public gold. He did not buy gold from public gold. But let's say, back then he decided to buy the 999 quality of gold. What would the ROI looks like? Let's say if he buys the 999 quality gold like this, with the same amount of money, he would have bought 15.27 grams of gold. And fast forward 6 years later, when he sold the gold items, because the gold is of higher quality, the spread margin is lower, then the amount of money they would have collected would be 5,023. How would the ROI looks like for 999 quality, you may ask? It is a 13.5% per year. Therefore, to answer the initial question, can you make money with gold jewelry? The answer is yes, you can. But when you compare the ROI of 916 versus 999, I think it is a clear cut. It is a clear-cut comparison that the 999 has got a better profit potential. The lesson here is that if the intention to park our money in gold is for long-term savings and long-term investment, 916 may not be the best place to park our money. On the other hand, 999 has been proven to give a better ROI. If you want to know more about this particular strategy that I have been doing for the past 6 years, drop me a message and I will share with you step by step on how to do this, because I personally believe with the right know-how, losing money is very difficult. By the way, my name is Naresh and I am your Gold Buddy.